Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what Samsung offer for the earbuds, and if we open it we can see a list with supported devices. Click get started, and right here we have only two devices for this application. And there's no our model, because our model is Galaxy Buds 2. So my short answer is no, the application do not available for your earbuds on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!